Hey everyone, today I want to give you a straight, honest review of Eneba so you know what to expect before you buy a game or digital key from there. Eneba is a marketplace for game keys, gift cards, and digital products. It's popular because prices are often much lower than official stores, and you get access to lots of titles, platforms, and sellers in one place. The site is easy to use, search, compare vendor offers, and check out quickly, and many buyers receive keys instantly and activate them without problems. That said, Eneba is a marketplace, not a direct retailer, so your experience depends on the seller you choose. Most orders go smoothly, but occasionally buyers get region-locked keys, invalid codes, or a key that doesn't work for their platform. When that happens, you'll need to open a dispute or ask the seller for help, and response times vary. Customer support can resolve issues, but it sometimes takes longer than you'd like, especially if the problem is caused by the seller rather than Eneba itself. If you decide to use Eneba, there are a few practical tips that'll keep you safe. Always check the seller's rating and read recent reviews before buying. Double-check the region and platform compatibility on the product page. Global keys are safest. Compare multiple vendor offers on the same listing, and be suspicious of prices that look unrealistically low for a brand new AAA title. Keep a screenshot or copy of your purchase confirmation and the code until activation succeeds. Finally, use a secure payment method like a card or PayPal, so you have buyer protection if something goes wrong. Overall, Eneba is a good option if you want lower prices and a wide selection, and you're willing to accept a small marketplace risk. For everyday discounts and quick deals, it's worth checking. But if you need absolute certainty and immediate official support, buying direct from the publisher or an authorized store is still the safest route. If this helped you decide, please like the video, subscribe for more honest platform reviews, and drop a comment telling me what game you're hunting for. I'll help you find the best option.